Hi guys, welcome to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to make keyboard bigger in iPhone. Let's begin. So keyboard, I'm pretty much referring to when you send a text message or SMS or when you go to your notes and you see this keyboard right here below. So if you want to make it look bigger, there's actually a way for you to do that in iPhone. So yes, this is the default, but there is an additional feature for you to make it bigger. And how are we going to do that? So I'm going to show you how. You go to settings. From settings, you go to display and brightness. So tap on that. Once you tap on that, you go to at the most bottom for display zoom, type on view. Okay. So if you have this one, right now I'm on default. If I wanted to be on larger text, just tick on this one or just click or tap. And then when it says done, it would give you an option to this would pop up, and then you just need to select use zoom. So if you tap on that one, it will make your keyboard bigger than the usual or bigger than the default. However, I'm not gonna do that right now because it will restart my iPhone, because pretty much the settings as well as all other just think about the SMS, the notes, and even with third party apps like Viber, WhatsApp, Messenger, or Telegram, if you need to type, the keyboard there would be bigger as well once you choose this larger text option. So there. So I hope you learned something today. If you want to learn more about iPhone tips and tricks, just subscribe to our channel. Please hit on like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.